Hello and welcome to the new section on programming and data manipulation. In this video, we will learn about data types. Let's get started. In one of the earlier sections, we had an introduction to data types and variables. Let's recap and build on that. A data type is a classification that specifies which type of value it can take and what type of operations can be applied to it. Data types can be categorized based on how many values they can take. A singular data type can take a single value. For example, age, first name, and date of birth. Data types such as int32, string, and datetime are singular in nature, as they can take only one value of their respective types. An array or a vector is a data structure that contains a set of elements. Typically, these elements are all of the same data type, such as an integer or string. For example, you could have an array of names or an array of ages for your team members. Arrays are commonly used to organize data so that a related set of values can be easily stored, sorted, filtered, or searched. A data table or matrix data structure is composed of values in two dimensions, rows and columns. That is a tabular format. A member is identified by two indices, one for the row and another for the column. A generic value is a data type specific to UiPath, and it can take diverse values such as string, number, boolean, and datetime. Data types mentioned here are commonly used data types. However, there are hundreds of .NET data types available through .NET library namespaces. Operations among similar data types can be mathematical, for example, adding two numbers. Relational, for example, comparing two numbers resulting in a Boolean result. Or logical, for example, comparing two Boolean expressions using a logical operator AND, resulting in a Boolean result. This concludes data types.